One of the reasons I was really interested in working at NLSP is I knew that I wanted to do direct legal services, work directly with individuals, and I was really moved by NLSP's mission and their commitment to being in the community and to working on the issues that were most pressing for low-income members of our community.
Doing legal services and providing legal services to low-income residents is actually why I wanted to become a lawyer. I felt like coming from a low-income community, I had a whole village of people around me who supported me and gave me their energy and encouragement, from teachers to family members. To me, I considered that privilege a gift, and that I wanted to devote my career to giving that gift back.
I chose NLSP because I love NLSP's holistic way of looking at clients and clients' needs.
There are so many people in the community who need help and need legal representation in their housing cases and their family cases. As an added attorney here with some litigation experience, I can help NLSP reach more people.
I was very impressed by NLSP's focus on what the community needs, historically and presently, being of service to the community and fulfilling those gaps in services for low-income DC residents.
We are trying to provide access to justice to low-income DC residents and also to fight poverty.
We are, working as lawyers, but you're also a social worker in some respects. And when I'm waking up in the morning, I'm thinking about how am I going to make sure that my client stays in her house and with livable conditions.
NLSP's work is a different way of providing free legal services to low-income people in a couple of ways. First of all, we make it a point to have our offices in neighborhoods where low-income people live. And then the second way that I think NLSP changes the way that we think about legal services, and I think the way that others think about free legal services, is this model of not just having someone call and identify, I have a housing problem, I have a consumer problem, I have a family law problem, but what is your underlying problem?
I represented a client in a domestic violence case. She was seeking a civil protection order on behalf of her young daughter against the father of the child. We were successful in getting a civil protection order for the mother on behalf of her child, and we feel really good about the work that we're doing to make sure that we protect children and preserve and strengthen families.
Most of our clients, they depend on public benefits. They depend on resources from the city to get themselves afloat, to stay housed, to stay clothed, to eat. It's hard to have someone that you feel like is in your corner. We can serve a lot more needs of our clients as a one-stop shop, which has been kind of exciting to feel like we can, when a client leaves here, we've taken care of a lot of the barriers to them living their full lives.
The most gratifying part of working as an attorney at NLSP is being able to have such a significant impact on the community in DC, on the residents in DC.
I feel really grateful to be able to do work that has a direct impact on people and improves people's lives in a really real and tangible way.
We need financial support to keep the doors open, to keep folks, attorneys here doing the work that we do, and we need pro bono attorneys to amplify the work that we do.
When you give to Neighborhood Legal Services Program, you allow the attorneys here to represent more people in the DC community.
This is what your support makes possible.
This is the work that your donations support.
We can't do what we do without you. Your donation to NLSP is a direct investment in our organization as well as the DC community.